Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a project in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with that account. So in order to get the existing project, tap on the file icon at the bottom, where you can see all your projects listed. Scroll through any project and locate the one that you want to delete. If available, tap on the three dots, or not available, simply press it long. Now it will show delete option. Simply tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure. Tap on OK to permanently remove the project. Once deleted, the project will be removed from your project list and cannot be recovered. You can see that it is successfully removed. And that's how you can successfully delete a project in Fliki. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.